This is Gil, a subscriber I met in New York to help him meet women in real life and show you that you can talk to anyone. You're watching the 29th episode of the Social Animal Subscriber Challenge. Enjoy.
Hey, excuse me. I thought you was pretty. I just wanted to come and say hello to you, Gil. Nice to meet you. We should grab a drink sometime.
Very gutsy and ballsy. You should keep doing that.
Okay, so today I'm with Gil.
Hi, my name is Gil from New York, 32 years old. When I'm out and about and I see a female I'm attracted to, there's usually some type of mental block there, so I want to get rid of that mental block and just be comfortable with approaching a female wherever I'm at, whether it be the supermarket or the beach or wherever I'm at. I think sometimes the mental block could be, oh, there's other people around and I don't want to get embarrassed. Maybe I might think, oh, like, I don't know, maybe she's too maybe she's too attractive for me, and maybe there might be a mental block there.
I see.
But although I believe I'm an attractive male myself, so I do have confidence.
Okay.
So yeah.
I see. Any last words before we start?
No last words.
No last words. Let's go.
Want to get started. Hey, excuse me, miss. Hello. Hey, I thought you was pretty. I just wanted to say hello.
Oh, that's so sweet of you.
How you doing?
I'm good. I'm actually going to meet my boyfriend.
Oh, you meet your boy. Oh,
yeah,
man.
I'm sorry. What's your name?
Gil.
It's so nice to meet you.
All right. All right.
Have a good
Take
one.
care. All right. She was very nice, and it seemed like she was appreciative of me approaching her. Like she seemed like she respected that. I guess encouragement, like to want to approach. Okay. I judged her. I believe I said she looks mean.
Yeah,
even before
right before he was out,
right before I
mean.
approached
I was
her, I said she looks mean.
Idea.
But then
and she was really nice.
Yeah, and when I approached her, she was very nice. So that shows you can't just jump to assumptions and judge people based on their face. So that kind of taught me something.
Okay.
Oh, excuse me, miss. Hello, miss. Excuse me. She didn't even look at me. I couldn't tell if she was ignoring me or could she not hear me because of her headphones.
She saw you, right?
I believe she saw me. Excuse me.
Sorry?
And I thought you were pretty. I just want to say hello.
Thank you. Hi.
How's your day going?
Good.
What's your name? What you up to today?
Me? Oh, I went there with my dog. I just probably got a boyfriend.
Oh, you got a boyfriend?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm sorry. It takes me so much.
Okay, I respect that. All right.
I wish you all the luck and
Yeah.
very gutsy and ballsy. You should keep doing that.
Appreciate that. Thank you. All right. She said that was her words were very gutsy and ballsy, meaning like,
she gave you nice compliments.
Yeah, like it takes heart to do that, so she respected that. And yeah, that gives me like, encouragement to approach. Excuse me. Hello. Miss. Excuse me.
If there is something, it's just maybe that there is a lack of conviction, because for example, let's say that she had dropped something.
Yeah.
I'm sure your excuse me would have been like
Okay.
much more insistent.
Mm-hmm.
So, whatever, but this is such a micro event, let's not dwell too much on it. So let's keep going.
Excuse me. Hey, I thought you was pretty. I just wanted to come over and say hello to you.
Oh, thank you.
How's your day going?
It's good. I'm meeting a friend right now.
What you up to today? What you doing?
Really not sure. I'm just meeting up with my friend.
Oh, okay.
And see from there.
What's your name? Hey,
Yeah.
nice to meet you. Would you want to go out sometime?
Well, I'm
grab
only
a drink?
here for a day, so.
Oh, where you from?
I'm from Boston.
Are you from Boston? Do you come out here frequently? Or?
Yeah, I actually just came to help move my friend in.
Oh,
for
so
the
you don't
weekend,
come out
so,
too
yeah.
much.
But
Okay.
maybe we'll see. So.
Or maybe when you come back to New York, we could, get together sometime.
Maybe. Sorry, that's my friend calling now. But that
Okay.
was really nice. Thank you for.
Oh, maybe I'll take your number.
Here, do you want to give me yours and then
Yeah,
I'll text?
that's fine.
Okay, what is it?
914.
No, I just graduated. I went to school in Rhode Island.
Okay.
Here, so I will text you my name.
All right, definitely.
Okay, cool.
All right,
Thank
nice
you
to
so
meet you.
much.
All right, take care. Yeah.
Okay, bro.
Right. So,
Hold on, did she text you?
yeah, she did. I got a number.
Okay, nice.
Exactly. It gives you encouragement to keep going. Definitely.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Oh.
I thought you was pretty. I just wanted to come and say hello.
Oh, thank you.
How's your day going?
Pretty good. How is yours?
I'm good. I'm chilling. What y'all up to today?
We're getting some food.
Okay. What y'all eating?
We don't know yet. We're still trying to decide.
Okay.
We're walking till we find something.
All right.
All right.
You from over here? Or?
From the area.
All right. Would you like to go out sometime?
I have a boyfriend back at home.
Oh,
Yeah.
really? Okay.
I'm sorry.
I respect that.
Have a nice day.
Take care.
You said to her, would you like to get coffee
Said
sometimes?
it again, yeah.
You know, and so that's very formal, right? Like
Right.
that's not very inviting. You know, it's like, well, it sounds like you're about to have a meeting. You know, you know what I mean?
Right,
Like,
right. Susan, hey, I thought you was pretty. I just wanted to come and say hello to you. How's your day going? She was very standoffish, like as if she didn't want to be bothered. So I kind of just let it go. I didn't even.
So
interrupt.
the hardest thing in this is to be self-aware of your own rigidity. To a large extent, people's reaction to you is your mirror. Okay? Like we're all emotional mirrors.
Yeah.
Okay. If someone comes to you and they're anxious, you're gonna feel it.
Yeah.
Sometimes you go to a store and you know someone is like extremely happy and they're like, you know, like, hey, how are you? And like, even if you're having a bad day, like you can't help but like smile because they're so happy, right? Where I think a lot of people like, stop working on this is that they do things, it doesn't work, and then they say, oh, it just doesn't work.
Right.
But they lack the self-awareness and the self-honesty and the desire to ask themselves, like, what was on my side of the equation? Like, you're not just communicating information. If you woke up someone and say, hey, you know, I just want to let you know that, you know, I find you attractive, like she's not a computer, right?
Right.
So when you give a compliment, if the person doesn't smile at you, you didn't really express yourself. Like, be mindful of your energy, you know, and like, where does it come from, you know? Are you being genuine or are you just like saying something to say it, you know? Be self-aware of how you express yourself.
Okay. Susan, I thought you was pretty. I just wanted to come and say hello.
I don't think you really like got her attention. Like, you're not here to just like flow what you have to say and see what happens, right?
Okay.
Like, you're here to talk to a person, right? So you know, you have to wait until you get someone's attention before like saying what you have to say, right?
Right.
But here, like, you know, you say excuse me, and she turned.
Yeah.
But kind of like she turned like she could have turned in the same way if like someone had dropped something and she heard it, right? Like she kind of like just turned like that.
Yeah.
And then you kind of like said what you wanted to say, but like I feel like she wasn't really prepared to receive what you were saying, you know?
Right.
And I would assume it's because, you know, when we're anxious, we tend to like, we just go faster, right? So slow down, take your time, make sure that people are like, you know, you're talking to a human being, right? Like make sure that they're looking at you. You have to look into yourself, like what is it about this that made her not stop, right? Because she could have stopped, right?
Right.
So,
Susan, how you doing? I thought you was attractive. I just wanted to come and say hello to you. How's your day going? Okay, what you doing? Schoolwork over there?
No, I'm not. I'm working.
Oh, you working? We got that Erykah Badu playing and all that. Okay. R&B girl, I hear that. That's what's up. What's your name? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I do have to tell you, I'm actually texting right now.
Oh, you Oh man, that's unfortunate. Man. Would you like a friend though? Like, I mean,
Nah,
you don't need a friend. Okay, I hear that. All right, take care. Enjoy your day. All right.
Your approach.
Yeah, no doubt. Take care. Yeah, I mean, it was a good interaction. I think there was definitely a connection there. Probably the most connection I've had with out of all the females I approached, that was the biggest.
In terms of like chemistry, just
in terms of chemistry,
interaction.
Right, that was the best chemistry I had out of all the females I approached. But unfortunately, she had a boyfriend, so that's. Excuse me. You're pretty. I thought you was pretty. I just wanted to come and say hello to you.
Thank you.
How's your day going?
It's good.
What you up to today?
Nothing.
Nothing much.
Just walking around.
Okay. And why you student or?
No.
Oh, nah. Okay.
I work here.
Oh, you work here.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name? Go.
Nice
Nice to meet you. Okay. We should grab a drink sometime whenever you're free sometime.
Okay.
You with that? Cool. Let me get you. Okay, cool. Where you from? Because 203, that's Connecticut, right? Oh, you from CT? Okay. What part of CT you from? All right, bet. So yeah, I'll text you my number. I'll definitely hit you up.
Okay.
What's your name again? I'm sorry. All right, that's easy to remember. Yeah. All right, cool. Nice to meet you. All right. Take care. It felt good. Yeah, she was smiling. Seemed like she was easygoing. I was more relaxed myself.
There's one thing I want to say. You realize like this is not like a Navy SEAL operation where like you come in and then you get out. It's not like I come in, I grab the number, I get out. Enjoy the moment, right? Like
I guess when I'm starting to run out of words, that's when I'm like, all right, let me get the number.
And exit.
Evacuate.
It's always like, why do you do what you do? Do you do what you do because this is what you want to do, or do you do what you do because you're reacting to anxiety? And I just want to make sure that you didn't leave this interaction because of anxiety. But as you said, when you run out of words, then you become anxious. So those are just things I want you to be self-aware about. Basically. And in the long run,
I noticed. I was running out of words, and I noticed she wasn't saying too much. So then I'm like, all right, let me get the number and get out of here. So that was but that was good feedback on your end.
Cool.
Definitely.
Let's keep going.
And I bet you got good. Well, I feel like you're kind of boring,
Excuse me. I thought you was pretty. I just wanted to say hello to you.
Hi.
You busy?
Yeah.
What do you think about what you said?
I didn't find anything wrong with what I said, excuse me. I guess I said, I think again. I think you're pretty instead of just saying you're pretty. But she seemed like kind of stuck up, like I don't want to be bothered type thing, like leave me alone. And she's walking off fast. Like, so I left it alone. Yeah.
I think try to be self-aware of like, how rigid your face is. Do you smile? Do you not smile? Are you serious? I'm not saying that, maybe she's stuck up, maybe she's whatever she is, but the question is there really no way that she could have stopped? I don't think so. And I think that when I heard you talk, it just felt very like, as I said earlier, it's like the difference between saying an information and like, like communicating emotion. When something like this happened, you ought to ask yourself, what could I have done differently?
Okay. Excuse me. Hey, I thought you was pretty. I just wanted to come and say hello.
First of all, like, if someone has headphones, you have to ask them, like, can you hear me?
Okay.
You need to get something from them.
Okay.
Like, you need to grab their attention. Otherwise, you're just like some random person's like
just talking,
like blurbing some shit.
Okay.
And you need to like snap out of this. Like, you kind of like it feels like you're just like saying a script.
Okay.
I just want to let you know you're pretty. Like be. You should be more excited to meet this person. Like, go back to your genuine impulse. And when you tell them they're beautiful, like, if they don't smile, like, it means you're not expressing your genuineness. Because even if they're not interested by you, you should smile. It should feel like a warm ray of sun to them, Like when someone gives you a compliment, hey, you look dope today. Like, you're gonna be happy.
Excuse me. Hey. Hey, hello. Hey, how you doing? I thought you was pretty. I just wanted to come and say hello to you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
How's your day going?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
I just got out of work.
You from the city? NYU? You go to NYU?
Yeah.
Okay. That's what's up. What's your name? Gil, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Biology, okay.
Yeah,
you trying to be like a nurse or something like that? Or?
A doctor.
Doctor, okay. That's what's up.
Yeah.
I'm an athletic trainer. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
If you ever trying to get in shape, I'm your guy, you know what I mean? But I mean, you look like you already in.
No, really. I was just contemplating whether I'd make it to the gym actually.
Okay.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, we should grab a drink sometime.
Yeah, sure.
All right, cool. I'll take your name and number. So I'm going to call you right now so you can have my number.
I'd rather you just text me so I can like text me your number.
All right, no doubt.
Not your number, your name.
All right, cool. Yeah, right. We'll get together, definitely.
Yeah, sure.
All right, cool. Okay, take care. All right, you too.
Nice.
So
we can end on the good note that we were looking for.
I guess.
And also that's good because at first you gave her a little like a little weak, like bitchy, like excuse me, and then you went and you were like excuse
really
me,
tried to get
and
her
then she
attention.
stopped and she removed and like that showed that you believed what you were doing,
Right. It felt good. That definitely gives me the confidence to to approach women that I find attractive more frequently. So today was definitely a good experience. As far as approaching females, and this gives me the confidence. Hopefully from this I could build upon this. The main thing I'm gonna take home from this experience is just if you see a girl you like, approach her, have a smile on your face, because like it's a mirror your energy feeds off on them. So the energy you give them, they're going to give you back. So if you approach it with a positive attitude and a smile, most likely you'll get a positive response back.
Do you have something to tell people who are watching?
I would say get out there. If you see a girl you like, approach her. Don't be scared. Don't be hesitant. Get off the dating apps and approach women in person. From this point on, I'm going to build on top of this experience and walk away with a positive attitude. And I feel good. This was a good eye-opener for me. Don't judge people by the face that they have, or if they look mean, or whatever the case may be, or if they're on their phone. Just, approach them with a positive attitude, and you see the response you get back. So that's the takeaway I got from this, and I'm gonna keep moving forward with that attitude. Definitely.
Very cool. Nice.
Yeah.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you for taking part of this.
Yeah, right. Thank you.
If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, my email is ruben@socialanimal.us. So if you want to chat, if you want to work with me, and especially if you want to do the challenge, shoot me an email. That's it for today. See you next time.